Hello everyone. So today we will see lecture number 11 from the subject numerical methods, and today's topic is about Gauss elimination with pivoting. Why we need Gauss elimination with pivoting. See what actually happens in the Gauss elimination. This is the system, and we know in Gauss elimination we have to convert this system into the upper triangular matrix. We have to make all the three elements equal to 0, so that from the last equation we will get the root of x3. When we will get that, then we substitute that in the previous equation. From there we get the root of x2, right? And from the then we substitute the value of x3 and x2 in the first equation. We get the value of x3. Basically, important in Gauss elimination is the diagonal elements. Now what if after solving the system of equations we get the roots of the diagonal elements, any of the root of some maybe x1, x2 or x3 equal to 0? What should we do? The system will fail at that time. So in order to overcome this disadvantage of Gauss elimination method, we came up with the another method called as Gauss elimination with pivoting. As I wrote in here, this is not the proper definition, but I make it by myself. Like, if in the Gauss elimination method we will be having the diagonal elements as 0, any of the or maybe all, then basic Gauss elimination method fails there, and thus we use Gauss elimination with pivoting so that we can overcome that. So let us start how to solve this, so that never ever in any system we will get the diagonal elements equal to 0. Okay. Firstly, we will convert this system into the augmented matrix. So, convert the above system of equations into the augmented matrix. So you know how we do that. We put all the constants including the coefficients in this. So 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, -1, 1 and 0. So this is how we converted the system into the augmented matrix. Then what we have to do is, first step, select the first column of augmented matrix. Let me write it as well. Select the first column of augmented matrix like this. Okay, this is the first column. We selected it, right? Then what we have to do is to find the absolute value of each element, that is mod. Like 2 का अगर मैं mod निकालूं, positive या absolute value निकालूं, that will be 2. This is the first element. Second element in the column is 4. So 4 का absolute value will be 4. And the third one is 1, and 1 का जो absolute value है, that will be 1. ठीक? Okay. Then what we have to do is, हमने जो ये absolute values find out किए, amongst them we have to find the largest value. 2, 4 and 1 में से सबसे बड़ा element कौन सा है? वो है 4. Okay? So what we have to do is, let me write it here. Find the largest value from the above step, that is 4. That will be called as pivot element. Okay, तो ये जो 4 है इसे हम पाइवट एलिमेंट कहते हैं, ठीक। और जिस इक्वेशन में ये 4 बिलोंग करता है, जिस इक्वेशन से ये बिलोंग करता है, किस इक्वेशन से बिलोंग करता है, सेकंड इक्वेशन से बिलोंग करता है। इस पूरी की पूरी इक्वेशन को हम बोलते हैं पाइवट इक्वेशन। क्या बोलते हैं? पाइवट इक्वेशन। ओके, देन व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज interchange the first equation with the pivot equation। जो भी इस सिस्टम की पहली इक्वेशन है और जो कोई भी इक्वेशन हमारी पाइवट इक्वेशन बनेगी, उन दो इक्वेशंस को हमें आपस में इंटरचेंज करना है, इंटरचेंज, ठीक। सो अगर हम इनको इंटरचेंज करेंगे तो हमारा जो ऑगमेंटेड मैट्रिक्स है वो क्या बनेगा, 4 2 3 4, और जो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन है वो दूसरी पोजीशन पे आएगा 1 and 6, एंड थर्ड इक्वेशन के साथ हमें कुछ भी नहीं करना है, दैट वुड रिमेन एज इट इज। ओके, व्हाट आफ्टर दैट, द फिफ्थ स्टेप इज नाउ डू the operations accordingly as we did in basic Gauss elimination method, ठीक। अब ये हमारे पास सिस्टम है, अब हमें बिल्कुल वैसे ही परफॉर्म करना है, वैसे ही इसका जो रूट है 3 वेरिएबल्स का वो फाइंड आउट करना है, जैसे हम गॉस एलिमिनेशन मेथड में करते हैं। दैट मीन्स हमें इन 3 एलिमेंट्स को 0 के बराबर बनाना है ताकि हमारी जो ये मैट्रिक्स है हमें अपर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स बन जाए। आप चाहें तो ऑगमेंटेड मैट्रिक्स पे ही काम करें, या अगर आप चाहें इसको पहले कन्वर्ट करें वापस टू अ सिस्टम, देन यू कैन फॉलो। मैं इस क्वेश्चन को एज इट इज़ करूँगी ताकि आपको ये भी समझ में आए और आप डिफ्रेंशिएट कर पाओ, और आपको ये भी समझ में आए कि आपके लिए कौन सा इजी वे रहेगा, सीधे सिस्टम्स को लिखना या ऑगमेंटेड मैट्रिक्स में डाल के वैल्यूज़ को कैलकुलेट करना, ठीक। ओके, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट। वी विल टेक द सिस्टम दैट इज नाउ फॉलो Gauss elimination। 4 2 3 4 2 2 1 6 1 -1 1 and 0। ओके, पहला स्टेप क्या होता है हमेशा कि हमें इसमें ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस अप्लाई करनी है। द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज वी हैव टू एलिमिनेट x1 फ्रॉम इक्वेशन सेकेंड एंड फ्रॉम इक्वेशन थर्ड। फर्स्ट स्टेप, eliminate x1 from second and third equation, apply transformation, ठीक है। तो फर्स्टली वी विल अप्लाई द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑन सेकेंड इक्वेशन। वो क्या बनेगी हमारे पास, सो दिस इज योर r1 r2 r3, r2 चेंज हो जाएगा, सो इट विल बी r2 माइनस a21 डिवाइडेड बाई a11 टाइम्स r1, ठीक। सो a2 obviously will be each and every equation of row 2, so it will be this, a21 is 2, a11 is 4 times r1, so this we can write as 2 1 2 2, so r2 minus 1 by 2 times r1, ठीक है। सो ये ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हमें अप्लाई करनी है। मैं यहाँ पे फिर से लिख देती हूँ, r2 minus 1 by 2 times r1, so this is a transformation which we have to apply on each and every element of equation 2 with respect to the equation first। okay, so first element हमारे पास इक्वेशन का क्या बनेगा, सी। सो r2 minus 1 by 2 into r1, so r2 will be 2 minus 1 divided by 2 into 4. 2 1 2 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. First element will be 0. B. 2 minus 1 divided by 2 into R1 is 2. 2 2 cancel. This will be equal to 1. C. 1 minus 1 divided by 2 into 3. So this will be equal to minus 1 divided by 2. D will be 6. 6 minus 1 divided by 2 into 4. 2 1 2 3. So this will be equal to 2 2. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Okay. Now apply transformation on third equation with respect to the first equation. First element 1. Okay, firstly we will see कि हमें क्या transformation apply करना है. So R3 minus A31 divided by A11 times R1. So R3 minus 1 divided by 4 into R1. So this is a transformation which we have to apply. So first element 1 minus 1 divided by 4 into R1 का पहला element is 4. So this is clearly equal to 0. B. Then the second element is minus 1 divided by 4 into 2. 2 1 2 2. So this will be equal to minus 3 LCM करके divided by 2. C. 1 minus 1 divided by 4 into 3. So after calculating this, you will get 1 by 4. Then the third one is 0 minus 1 divided by 4 into the first element is 4. 4 and 4 is cancelled, so this will be minus 1. So therefore our new system will be equal to, हमारी जो नई augmented matrix है, first row will remain as it is, that is 4 2 3 4. ठीक, नए वैल्यूज़ हमें इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करने हैं. अब जैसे 0 1 minus 1 by 2 and 4. Then over here 0 minus 3 by 2, 1 divided by 4 minus 1. Okay, now we converted these two elements into a 0. अब हमें इस element को 0 के बराबर करना है so that हम इसको upper triangular matrix में convert कर सकें. So now we have to eliminate. Let me write the system over here once again ताकि कोई confusion ना रहे. Okay, so this is the system. 4 2 3 4. 1 minus 1 by 2 4. 2 1 by 4 minus 1. Okay, this is R1, this is R2, and this is R3. Now what we have to do is we have to convert this element equal to 0 but with respect to the second equation. तो हमें इसके लिए भी क्या करना है? Firstly we have to consider this column into consideration. ठीक, after that we have to find the absolute values of these two, then we have to interchange them. So we have to repeat the steps. Okay, हमें इसका भी क्या करना है? Absolute value find out करना है. Clearly absolute value of 1 is equal to 1 and absolute value of minus 3 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. And in दोनों में से 3 by 2 is the largest element, so we have to interchange these two equations, interchange them. तो हमारा therefore नया सिस्टम क्या बनेगा? 4 2 3 4. 0 minus 3 by 2, 1 by 4 minus 1. 0, 1, minus 1 by 2 and 4. Okay, now what we have to do is अब हमें इस 1 को 0 के बराबर कन्वर्ट करना है ताकि हमें with respect to the equation number 2 so that we can convert this system into the upper triangular matrix. Now apply Gauss elimination method. Okay. Firstly, हमें एक ही पे ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन अप्लाई करनी है, दैट इज रो 3 एंड द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन विल बी लाइक दिस R3 minus A32 divided by A22 times R2. That will be R3 minus A, this is 1, divided by minus 3 by 2 times R2, which will be equal to R3 plus 2 divided by 3 R2. So this is the transformation जो हमें इस पे अप्लाई करना है. Okay. So अब नई वैल्यूज क्या बनेंगे हमारे पास, दैट वी हैव टू सी. R3 का पहला एलिमेंट 0 है तो वी डोंट नीड टू राइट दीज 2 एलिमेंट्स क्योंकि वो 0 के बराबर ही हमेशा आएंगे. वी विल स्टार्ट विथ 1. सो R3 इज 1 प्लस 2 by 3 टाइम्स minus 3 by 2. 3 cancel, 2 cancel. This is 1 minus 1 which will be equal to 0. Second element minus 1 divided by 2 plus 2 divided by 3 times 1 divided by 4 which will be equal to minus 1 divided by 3. Okay, after calculating. Like 2 ones are 2 twos are, it will be minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 6, then LCM करके it will be minus 1 divided by 3. Now the last element C is 4 plus 2 by 3 times minus 1. After calculating this, this will be equal to 10 divided by 3. Okay, so therefore our new system of equations will be, again we will draw up a triangular matrix 4 2 3 4. Equation second would remain as it is, 1 by 4 minus 1, ये तो 0 बन गया, and this is minus 1 by 3 and this element is 10 divided by 3. Now we converted the system into the upper triangular matrix. It is in the upper triangular matrix. Now what we have to do is we have to apply the back substitution in order to find the result. So final step, apply back substitution method now. Okay, this is clearly 1 by 3 x3 is equal to 10 divided by 3. Okay, so our x3 will be equal to 10 divided by 3 into 3 minus, okay यहाँ आएगा तो प्लस बनेगा, so this is 3 gets cancel, so x3 will be equal to 10. No, minus would remain as it is, so this will be minus 10. Okay, now substitute this in the previous equation so that we can find the value of x of 2. Minus 3 divided by 2 x2 plus 1 divided by 4 x3 is equal to minus 1, है ना, because we know कि ये जो है ये b's के values हैं augmented matrix में. These are the values of x1 then x2 and x3, तो वही मैंने लिखा over here. So minus 3 divided by 2 into minus 10 plus 1 divided by 3 into x3 is equal to minus 1. So this is 2125. Okay, so let us see. So this will be minus okay, after calculating this, the result which you will get is x2 will be equal to minus 1. Third step is we have to take both the values in the first equation, that is 4x1 plus 2x2 plus 3x3 is equal to 4. 4 into x1 we don't know, plus 2 into minus 1 plus 3 into what x3 minus 10 is equal to 4. So after solving this, x1 will be equal to 9. Now take any of the value like minus 10, minus 1 and 9 in any of the equation and see whether our system is 100% correct or not. Thank you. Please perform the calculations so that you will see whether all the calculations are correct or not.